So day one after Thanksgiving, not a whole lot of remaking of the leftovers, but I did take a little bit of the ham and some of the cheese from that game night and made omelets. I had a little bit of spinach, parsley from the garden, and eggs from my friend who gives those to me, and this was the omelet. Except pretty simple, easy breakfast. Used up some of the leftover ham. Lunch was even easier. We finished off the pea salad, used some of the ham for a sandwich, and just used the salad leftovers for the lettuce on that. And of course, some cheese from when I had cheese for the game night. And of course, you see the salad as is. And then I took the leftover étouffée from the inside of the turkey and added it with some of the white rice we had left over from making rice dressing. So you can see, quick and easy meals for day one. I mean, this was a shopping day. If you're enjoying these, please like and subscribe.